Now, another thing that happens a lot is that we need step-by-step instructions, because one of the real benefits of having a standard operating procedure with all this context is to give the users the step-by-step instructions on how to do something, how to follow something, how to create a process. And then within those step-by-step instructions, you might have a lot of other things that you want to do, but we want to kind of standardize those steps to make sure that the employees are complying with our policies and our processes to provide those great customer experiences. So we've also created a prompt that allows us to generate a list of step-by-step instructions. And it's also based on the benefits of standard operating procedures. So when I click on that prompt and I click on the little sparkly, now it's going to go out and get some step-by-step instructions on what the benefits of standard operating procedures are. So it's analyzing that request, it knows what a step-by-step instruction is, and it comes back with this beautiful list of 10 things that we might want to consider. And so again, I'll click right here, and wow, that's great. Copy, cut, and paste inside of my SOP. And you can see that right within this field, I now have all the components of what might be the step-by-step instructions for this particular activity. But that's not really helpful for me in the way that the SOP works. I need to be able to convert those step-by-step instructions to the individual steps within the format of the SOP, and I can do that as well by clicking on a button in the app that takes those step-by-step instructions and populates all the steps. And we'll look at that again later. But what I'm trying to point out here is we need to be able to take the information from outside the system, bring it into our context in a secure way,